Hello and welcome to Flipster in 5 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about how to find the app in your app store and download it so that you can use it on a device, phone, tablet, whatever. So we're going to start with finding the app in your app store. You will use your Google Play, iTunes, or Amazon App Store, wherever you go to get apps today. You can generally find Flipster there. So head there, download it to the device, install it, open it, and start using it. It's pretty simple and very similar to any other app you are using for this purpose. So once you have it installed and you open it up, it's going to ask you which library to use. Do you want to allow it to access this device's location? It will give you an option of the close libraries. Otherwise, you just have to do a national search. Whichever one you're comfortable with is fine. If you choose to allow the location uh, settings to be on, then next libraries ought to be pretty close to the top. If not, then you'll need to do a search. And up there where it says library name, it is where you will start typing in next. And once you get next typed in there, you ought to be able to see next libraries listed. Just remember, you're not choosing your actual local public library. You're choosing the next library consortium. Once you have that chosen, it will ask you to sign in. You do have to use your card number. If you log in using first name, last name, like I do, I log in with robin.hastings, that will not work. You do have to use your card number here. You do not need a PIN. All you need is a card number, but you do have to have that card number there. Once you are in, you have access to the app. This is screenshots from my Android version of the app, but your iPhone or your iPad should look similar, just maybe different proportions. There is the Explore screen. That is all of the lists of all magazines that we have available right at the moment. There are 60, I believe. There is the My Shelf screen. That is the ones that you have downloaded and are sitting there waiting for you to read. This is a nice thing to have when you're on a plane or in a car somewhere where you're not close to wireless. And then there's the Read screen, which opens up. In this case, it is, I believe, Taste of Home page from that I was looking at, Clutter Busters, because, those are always handy. And then you can actually read through the article and see what's going on. All of the URLs are yellow, so you just tap them and they'll open up the website in your browser for your device. So that's it. That's how you download, install, and use Flipster on your device. Thanks for hanging out. There will be more to come.